I'm Rob Howie, and I'm a skipper for Sailors for the Sea, powered by Oceana, an ocean conservation organization that engages the sailing and boating community to take action to protect our waters. As a skipper, I'm part of a network of sailing leaders across the U.S. and Canada who advocate for green boating and clean regattas in our coastal communities. Being based in Marblehead, Massachusetts, allows me to interact with more than 100 sailboat regattas across 6 yacht clubs and thousands of recreational boaters. There are plenty of opportunities to celebrate sustainable practices that make a difference. Our seas are awash with plastic litter. Roughly 33 billion pounds of plastic winds up in the ocean every year, and that number is growing. While serving as Commodore of the Corinthian Yacht Club, we eliminated single-use plastic everywhere. We're looking for more ways to be environmentally responsible, such as energy and lighting efficiency, as well as preserving marine life habitat. In a community like ours, where the ocean defines so much of our history, quality of life, and why we choose to live here, we have an obligation to preserve and protect it. Marblehead is where my family has lived for generations and where I grew up. My grandfather served in the Navy. My father was in the Coast Guard and an early environmentalist. From him, I learned to take personal responsibility. The ocean and boating is in our blood. I'm proud to have inherited a legacy of good stewardship of the ocean and its resources, and to have passed it down to my own children and grandchildren. Help support Oceana by giving to Nautica's Give Change to Make Change Roundup program. And today, in honor of World Oceans Day, Nautica is matching all donations. Get involved to help make a difference.